Hello everyone, today we're going to explore a topic that's central to the human experience, compassion. We'll dive deep into what compassion really means, how it influences our care for the environment and each other, and the vital role that communal discernment plays in making our world more compassionate place. Let's start by defining compassion. At its essence, compassion is about recognizing the pain and suffering of others and being deeply moved by it. But compassion isn't just about feeling, it's about acting. It's the motivation to do something about that suffering, to elevate it and, and to bring comfort and relief. Think about a time when you saw someone struggling. Maybe it was a friend going through a difficult time or stranger in need. Compassion is what drove you to reach out, to offer a helping hand, and simplify, to listen. It's this profound sense of connection and concern that bridge the gap between empathy and action. Now, let's consider how this compassion extends to our relationship with the environment. Our planet is a living, breathing, entirely sustains all forms of life. When we talk about environmental stewardship, we're really talking about expression of compassion on a global scale. Every decision we make, whether it's choosing a recycle, reducing our carbon footprint, or advocating for the preservation of natural habitats, reflect our compassion for the earth and for future generations. It's about understanding what our actions have a triple effect impacting not just us but every living being on this planet. When we care for the environment, we're showing that we value the intricate web of life that sustains us all. It's recognition that the health of the earth is strictly connected to the well-being of every species including human. But compassion doesn't stop the environment. It extends deeply into a relationship with others. Compassion is the driving force behind acts of kindness, understanding, and support our communities. Imagine a world where the compassion is the norm of intersection in such as word where word actively seeks to understand each other's struggling and joys. We would be quicker to offer help, slower to judge, and more willing to forgive. Compassion fosters a sense of unity and belonging, reminding us that we're all part of a larger human family. This is especially important in today's world, where so many people feel disconnected or isolated. A simple act of compassion, whether it's listening to someone who needs to talk, standing for standing up to someone being treated unfairly, or volunteering our time to help those in need, can make a huge difference. So, how do we translate this individual compassion into something that can change the world on a large scale? This is where communal displacement comes in. Communal discernment is a process where people come together to reflect, discuss, and decide on the best course of action for their community or group. It's about collective wisdom tapping into a diverse perspectives and experience of the group of find the most compassionate and effective solution to the challenge we face. I think of it as a way of upholding our collective compassion. By engaging in communal discernment, we can address complex issues like climate change, social justice, or economic inequality in a way that thoughtfulness influence the ultimately more impactful. One powerful example of communal discernment in action is when communities come together to address environmental challenge, whether it's a neighborhood deciding to create a community garden, a city implementing sustainable waste management practice, when nation collaborating on climate agreement. These are examples of collective compassion at work. When people join force, guided by the shared sense of care when for the planet and each others, when can achieve incredible things. They can make decisions that not only benefit the community today, but also ensure a better world for future generations. Communal discernment isn't just about environmental action, it's about every aspect of life. In our school, workplace, religious communities, and even our governments, we have opportunities to practice communal discernment. By doing so, we ensure that our decisions are guided by compassion, fairness, and commitment to the common good. This approach challenges to us think beyond our imaginate concern and to consider the video impact of our action. It encourages us to listen to diverse voices, to understand different perspectives, and to work together toward solutions that reflect our shared values. Imagine what world could look like compassion was the heart of every decision we made. Both individually and collectively, we will see more communities coming together to solve problems. More initiatives focus on sustainability and more effort to ensure that everyone, regardless of their background of circumstances, has the opportunity to thrive. This vision isn't just a dream, it's something we can work together towards every day. We start with the small intentional act of compassion in our daily life. From there, it grows into larger collective efforts to create a change on a broader scale. Conclusion: compassion is just a feeling. It's a powerful force that can drive positive change in the world, whether it's experienced through caring for environment, supporting those needs, or participating in communal development. Compassion, the key to building a more just, sustainable, and harmonious world. Thank you for joining me in exploration of compassion. Let's all commit to making compassion a guiding principle of our lives. Together we can make the world a kinder, more compassionate place, one action at a time.